Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will explain how to make a listing in student list. We did last two videos like add students with validation. So in this video I will do we can make all the listing here whatever we add inside add new student. So let's click on the add new student. So you can see first name, last name, admission number, all the fields I can show inside here. And after we can make a delete function and we can create another video for a filtering. So let's start to do the listing here. So let's click on the add new students in new tabs. So we can copy the name to put here. So let's go to our code because I am going to my code, you can go your code. Resources, views, admin, students, inside list. So just wait, I make a zoom out. Names, so first name, last name. Second point is admission number, so just copy and put here. Second point, roll number. We can put email after admin name, so we know. Class, gender, date of birth, caste, let's make all the fields here one by one. Let's copy sometime because we don't want to do again. So mobile number, admission date, profile pic we can make first. After blood group, okay, let's remove height, weight, and status. So let's remove some pages here there because we have write some fields here, so we need to remove the here pages. So it looks like better. Okay, now I think the field setup. Let's refresh the page inside student list. So the page I refresh, so you can see it all the fields above there. Just make a here showing all the data, like here need to show images, name, email, admission number, roll number. Let's make one by one. So first ID, so ID here we can do like a get photo, I think so, to get profiles. Let's go to inside user models and check what we have used. We have used a get profile, so just copy and put function here, get profiles, and you can use the images, but we need to make a condition if is not empty because we are not required field. If is not empty, so going to inside, otherwise we need to go inside. And also we can create here img tab. Here also provide like height width 50%, 50px, height 50px, and width also 50px. And we can do the border radius 50%. Border radius 50px. Okay, let's refresh and check how it looks here. Okay, not great looks because 50px, not 50%. 50px. Let's refresh again. So let's see looks. Okay, now looks better. Profile pic also, and here is not uploaded. This is not showing. Here showing the name, so we can show the first name and last name. So we have also make last name space last name. So this is the last name. Email to email, so you need to change email to email. Let's refresh now. So you can see name and last names. Okay, now email to email. Let's make like lots of fields for email. Now I will refresh. I know we can make an overflow, don't worry about that. Let's refresh now again. So still need to add like 2, 1, 2, 3 columns. Let's refresh now again. So we need to remove 2 columns. Refresh again, so you can see it proper. Okay, now let's make a like admission number to admission, roll number to roll number. So let's go to database, open the users tables and go to structures. Now we need to admission number, so put inside admission numbers here. After roll number, so let's see what we use. Let's close this tab. Roll number to roll number. After class ID, so class we can make like name. So right now I'm not changing. Gender, the genders. Date of birth. Let's make all field one by one. Mobile number, admission date, profile pic we have done, blood group, height, weight. Okay, let me check height, weight after what is this status. So let's refresh so you can check. Let me save and refresh the page. So you can check it, admission number, roll number, class male, female is going. So just we need to make another column here, roll number, here with class ID. After we can make a dynamic, don't worry about that. Okay, let's remove. We also make a data symbol. First we need to make condition. If is equal to 0, so active, otherwise inactive. Here showing the inactive. Okay, let's refresh the page. So you can see it active, inactive, with not show date of birth and roll number. Now let's make a class as a dynamic. So just go to model, inside go to users inside we have already write get student. Why is working, like you can go inside student controllers. So you can see it, we have created inside list get students. So just we need to write here join query, join left join query I will use join class dot id is equal to users dot class id left, because we need to use left query. Suppose inside there record not there, but we need to use left query. Class dot name as a class name. Just copy this name and put here. Where is the class ID we did inside class name. Okay, let's go back and refresh. So you can see it here showing the class name. Not sorry, here SSL, SS2, 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 SS1, and here you are not did like we are not edit and enter about this thing. Now we can make like overflow because it's going to outside. So let's sort out this one. Just spec element, and you can make here like it's a card table. So just make here overflow auto. Okay, just copy, and so you can see it here like a scrolling. You see overflow auto inside, you can see it scrolling. Before going to outside, this is we are using the overflow auto. So just put go up, and I think put here overflow auto, go back and refresh the page. So you can see it perfect. Let's make a sum button is a small, is very big button like edit delete. So just use the btn sm, is like a bootstrap class btn sm. let's copy and put here. Go back and refresh the page. Small size. Let's make some minimum width. Styles minimum 100 px. Let's refresh. Let's make 200. I don't know why it's taking time. What we did, so still taking time. I don't know. Okay, now you can see 200. Edit and edit. Let's make like 150 is good. Refresh again. Okay, 150 is good, so you can see it line by line. Okay, you can see it here is all the data we will show, like add time, profile pic, name, data, admission number, roll number, caste, gender, date of birth, mobile number, admission date, blood group, height, weight, status, and created date and action. Okay, now I think showing looks better, and let's make a now delete function. So do you want to remove the students? So we can use a delete function. Also we can make here like another button like assign parent. So you need to assign the parent for the students, so you know about the students who is his parents. So we need to create a new menu. Here is parents, and after parents can assign for the students. Otherwise student can assign to parents, parent assign to student. Okay, so let's make a delete function here. Works. So just go to codes and just copy this routes. Go to routes inside web.php. We have not created, so just create a new routes, student deletes. Here we can use the get methods. The student controller inside I will create a new function, delete function. Here we can pass id. Just go up and copy this, because I don't want to write. Okay, so just put here and get records. So make get records and just put here if is not empty get records. So going to insights and get records is delete is equal to once and save. And here you can type return redirect back. Students is fully deleted. Just we need to remove this one. We don't need to, because sometimes pagination wise you are deleting, so we need to back same page. This one I am using back function. Okay, redirect back with success. Student successfully deleted. And let's check, this is the get method. Yes, this is the get method. So go to list inside. Okay, perfect. Let's go to websites, means the student list, and click on the delete button. So let's try to remove this one. Okay, 12 number ID. I will click. Student successfully deleted and 12 is removed. You can see it here, not showing anymore, because we are updating the column inside database. We are not removing it permanently. Let's click on the users tables, taking few seconds. Sometimes it is again quick response, sometimes it is taking times. So you can see it here is going to 12, 1 is a 1 is deleted. You can see it here. Okay. So in this video I will show you how to make a listing to student list and how to create a delete function and delete the records. Next video I will make a here filter, so you can see it how to make a search by name, email, admission numbers, roll numbers, class, gender, date of birth, caste, and also we can make, let's change now like a YMD to date month Y. So because we have forget, so just copy and put here is not empty, and if date format we need to make a date, month, and Y, str2 time, and same thing we can do inside admission dates. change this what admission date. Okay, now we can refresh the page again, student list. So you can change the date, month, why. I think everything is good now and everything looks better. So in this video I will show you how to make listings and with delete functions. And next video we can do like a filtering above. So I hope, do you want to like this video, please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.